Finish grading and moderating, you can send grades to students from CrowdMark, and that will give students access to any of the feedback that you've given, any of the annotations, any of the comments that you've made. And that will be a really great way for students to engage with their feedback. So to do that, what you'll do is come across to the results tab. From here on this page, what you'll see is the distribution of scores graph, and you can choose to send this to students, or if you would rather not send this to students, you can also turn this off. What this will do is give students a view of how they're sitting in relation to the rest of the class. So they'll see this type of graph here, and they'll be able to toggle through between each question and also the total there as well, and they'll be able to switch between percentages and points as well. If you would like to send a summary message to all students on the assessment, you also have the option to do that by selecting new message here, and then you can enter your content for your summary message. You can attach additional files. This is Markdown friendly and LaTeX friendly as well, and there's some formatting tips here. Once you've entered your summary message, you can go ahead and select to return grades. When you do this, this is going to give students an email notification. They can either sign into CrowdMark by just logging into CrowdMark, or they can click through from the email notification. And that's how you return grades to students. Any changes that you make to the grades after the work has been sent to them will appear live for students. There's no need to resend those grades.